Nicholas Appert, who invented the vacuum cooker system in 1810. The last 50 years, Watch the company has been working to develop the vacuum cooker system. All the part of the machine has been made so carefully, and all the material we've been used is stainless steel 304, 316. Nicholas Appert under the batch with a production capacity 240 kilos per hour for many different types of production. With a single technical solution, you can treat many production as baby food, pesto sauce, processed cheese, ketchup, mayonnaise, pureed food, etc., etc.